Welcome to Chapter 4, La Vida que Vivimos. In this first module, you will begin discussing your daily habits and frequent customs. You will also learn more about the routines of others and some differences in daily routines between the US and other places. You will begin to discuss how our routines and other frequent activities are affected by culture and the way they reflect values. You will identify important vocabulary and begin sharing about your own frequent activities with more fluidity and detail. By the end of this module, you will be able to talk about activities that are common in my life. Ask questions effectively to learn about a classmate's daily routine. Understand the main idea and several details when reading about or listening to someone's routine. Discuss some factors that affect routine. Draw comparisons between my routine and that of others. Recognize and understand common reflexive verbs such as irs, levantars, sentars, and lamars. Use some familiar reflexive verbs in the first-person singular, yo, form, to talk about my daily routine. Understand how to determine which reflexive pronoun to use when conjugating reflexive verbs. Accurately place reflexive pronouns in relation to the verb. Recognize and understand many common stem-changing verbs such as morir, intender, comenzar, jugar, and mostrar. Conjugate these verbs in the present tense you form easily, though it might take longer with other subjects. Conjugate these verbs in the preterite, being mindful that only your stem-changing verbs will have stem changes in the preterite. Last but not least, occasionally use some of these verbs in the preterite without access to notes.